Hi, first grade. Oh, let me tilt down a little bit so you can see the screen a little better. Okay, can you see this okay? So I've been asked to explain a little bit how we have been doing our adding the two-digit numbers. And so this was worksheet 62, lesson worksheet 62. So we did this before we went on break, but just to show you how it was taught in class so you can follow up at home, going to keep pointing like this to try to be crazy. Anybody crazy yet? Okay, sorry. So we'll take a look at these problems, and I'll show you how we taught it in class, and then I'll show you some of the things that kind of trip up or trick the kids a little bit. And so this first problem is 43 cents. Well, I'll just start now. One of the things that tricks the kids is if they see the problem horizontal and they have to turn it vertical. And so I would say if we saw it horizontal, it would be 43 cents plus 25 cents. And if we, this is already filled in, but if we had to fill it in, I would say 43 cents, 43. How many dimes? 4. How many pennies? 3. To that 43 cents, I'd like to add 25 cents. 25. How many dimes? 2. How many pennies? 5. And then I say to the kids, we always add your ones first. Say it with me. Always add your ones first. Well, we know that the pennies are worth 1 cent, so we always add the ones first. 3 plus 5 is 8. Enough to trade for a dime? If I have 8 pennies, is that enough to trade for a dime? No, because we've learned, we practiced this in class, I don't know if they've shown you at home, that a dime is worth 10 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents. We also did that for a penny is worth 1 cent, a penny is worth 1 cent, a penny is worth 1 cent, a penny is worth 1 cent. We did learn the nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a nickel is worth 5 cents. We haven't learned the quarter yet. It's in our future. But we know that a dime is worth 10 cents. If I have 8 cents, I don't have enough to trade for a dime, so the 8 comes straight down. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 43 cents plus 25 cents equals 68 cents. The next problem, can you see it okay? Let's pretend you can see it okay. If not, I'll shoot another video. Okay. All right, the next one is 66 cents plus 18 cents. Again, if we saw it horizontal, this is sometimes what tricks us to make sure we plug in the right number in the right place. 66 cents plus 18 cents. And we would ask ourselves, 66 cents, 66. How many times? 6. How many pennies? 6. To that 66 cents, I'd like to add 18 cents. 18. Sometimes the teenagers trick us. 18. How many dimes? 1. How many pennies? 8. So we would fill that in. And then we say, always add your ones first. Say with me. Always add your ones first. What is 6 plus 8? 14. Enough to trade for a dime? Yes. How many pennies left over? 14 leaves 4 pennies, and the dime moves next door. Okay? The dime, he's not too big. He cannot live with the pennies anymore. He has to move next door where the dimes live. So now we have 14. It's still 14. This is why we circle it like this for moms and for straight. You might have learned to put it at the top, but they decided, Saxon has decided that if we can still see the 14, it doesn't confuse us as much when the dime moves next door. So they leave him down below so we can still see. It was 14 cents. It didn't change, just the dime had to move next door. Then we say 6 plus 1 is 7, but don't forget the little guy, 8. That means 66 cents plus 18 cents equals 84 cents. Okay, and next, I mean, I could keep working, but okay, I'll do one more. You want one more? What? Can't hear you. One. Okay, one more time. 40, and again, we saw, and again, this is the part that will trick the kids. Changing it, if they see it, well, here, let's do one like this. Hold on, let me just hold on. And because we worked this page today, we had a little store. We had some visitors who came to a shop at our store. It was very exciting. And we'll just do a couple of these. Maybe let's sit down. Okay. So if I had something that was 49 cents plus, say 37 cents. Okay, now I've got a blank and I need to know that I stick them in the right place, that I put them in the right place to get the right answer. So I would say 49 cents, 49. How many dimes? Or how many pennies? 9. So we can see we put him in the right place because he matches. To that 49 cents, I'm going to add 37 cents. 37. How many dimes? 3. How many pennies? 7. Say it with me. Always add your ones first. Say it with me. Always add your ones first. I should speak it down a little bit because the next part is down here. Okay. So then I would ask, what's 9 plus 7? That would be a 9 trick. 16. And that's a trick for a dime? Yes. How many pennies left over? 6. The 6 comes down, the dime moves next door. I use that kind of same cadence every time. The 6 comes down, the dime moves next door. So that it kind of sounds familiar every time we practice it. And then we would say 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Don't forget the little guy. That's another thing that tricks the kids a lot of times. And they'll just do the big numbers. 4 plus 3, 7. But the dime movement next door needs to be added in too. Okay, so I hope this helps. And I guess you can just give me some feedback, but I'm just kidding. I don't know what comments you're on. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.